Welcome back to our tech world. 2024 has a lot of useful gadgets for us. In today's video, we will be discussing the top tech gadgets of 2024 that can simplify your life. Make sure to watch this video until the end to stay up to date with all the latest insights. Let's begin our tech journey. Ember Tumbler. If you're sensitive about your drinks, I will introduce this one to you. An Ember Tumbler is a special cup from Ember Technologies. It keeps your drinks at the temperature you like for a long time with an app or buttons on the cup. Also, it is well made and easy to use. If you don't like drinks getting warm or cold quickly, an Ember Tumbler could be great for you. Gyro Glove. Welcome to the Marvel world. If you have shaky hands, the Gyro Glove is a good choice for you. It is a handheld device that helps people to steady hand movements, making tasks like writing and eating easier. This gadget gives you more control over your movements. But as I said before, you can buy it and use it if you're into Marvel movies and Iron Man. Impulse Induction Cooktop. An Impulse Induction Cooktop is a special stove that uses magnets to heat pots and pans. If you're the kind of person who wants to eat food right after getting hungry, buy one. It's faster, safer, and uses less energy than regular stoves. One of the other good points of it is that it's easy to clean, and it's safer since only the pots and pans get hot. ColdSnap. This one is wonderful. Do not need to go out for an ice cream, just stay at home while having an ice cream machine by your side. ColdSnap is a machine that makes ice cream and frozen treats fast. It's like a coffee maker, but for ice cream. You can pick different flavors and make your desserts at home in just seconds. It's easy and quick, and it lets you enjoy tasty frozen treats whenever you want without waiting or needing a big machine. Before we dive into the topic at hand, take a moment to like and subscribe into the channel. Also, ring the notification bell to follow the latest technology trends that we bring to your attention. Now, let's get back on track. Garmin HRM-Fit. I think athletes will love this gadget. The Garmin HRM-Fit is a chest strap that measures your heart rate while you exercise. It sends this data to Garmin devices like fitness trackers or smartwatches. If you want to track how hard you work during workouts, improve your fitness, and more effectively reach your exercise goals, it can help you. Yarbo Snowblower S1. The Yarbo Snowblower S1 is a smart machine for clearing snow, so it's not that useful in hot places, just in case you won't waste your money. But for people who live in cold places, it uses Wi-Fi, GPS, and radar to work independently, returning to charge when needed. It has safety features to protect things and animals, so you don't need to worry. The battery charges in 2 hours and lasts about 90 minutes, but the time may vary depending on the snow depth. Belkin Auto Tracking Stand Pro. Since our world is becoming virtual, phones are really important. The Belkin Auto Tracking Stand Pro is a phone holder that moves around automatically. It uses features called Dock Kit, which connects to your iPhone's camera without extra apps. It is great for creating content, making FaceTime calls, or using it as a camera during meetings. MuaRot. The MuaRot is a robot vacuum cleaner that removes dust mites, so it's crucial for you if you're allergic to dust and stuff. It's powerful, easy to use, and wireless. This gadget has smart features and can clean different surfaces like beds and sofas. It's quick and efficient, taking only 20 minutes to clean, and has reusable filters for convenience. Alright, here ends our tech journey. If you find the information useful, I would kindly ask you to consider liking and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know about our latest content and updates, and you'll also help us grow and reach more people who might benefit from this information. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.